Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Paychex Flex, access payroll and benefits online step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type in the URL for Paychex Flex. Press the Enter key. On the home page, look for the Login button. Click on the Login button. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your username in the designated field. Next, type in your password. Double-check your entries for accuracy. Once confirmed, click on the Login button. If your information is correct, you will be taken to your dashboard. From here, you can access payroll and benefits information. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password. After resetting, return to the login page. Enter your new password along with your username. Click on the Login button again. You should now have access to your Paychex Flex account. Explore the dashboard to find payroll and benefits options. If you encounter any issues, consult the support section for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.